And so we begin right from the beginning. The beginning of the head is a circle. A circle with a horizontal line and vertical line. Now you want to measure half of it and place half of it after it. So you can construct a head. But not yet. We aren't finished. So the nose goes at the bottom of the circle. The eyes go a little bit upper. As you can see, I actually made them simplified because your drawing here is really simplified at the beginning because you can't complicate things at the beginning because that will be complicated. Next on the list is mouth. Now mouth goes somewhere between the beard and the nose. And the ears. Ears go somewhere on the side of the nose. And the hair begins from this vertical line and ends wherever you want it. So now I'm doing the fine lines. I mean, not really the fine lines. I'm not using my outliner here yet. I'm just sketching the thing. Now I'm doing the hair. Final lines of the hair. Actually, I made them from a shape. So the shape is actually just a triangle and some vertical lines. It doesn't matter. Your hair will be maybe a little bit different. Here my camera actually got freaked up. I'm sorry here. But all I can say is that I'm here at the home now.
Home field advantage.
And now at the home I'm doing some fine lines with my outliner. Now when you do the fine lines you should be extra careful because the fine lines determine how your drawing will look. Everything else is just shading, coloring and your anatomy skills. But for that, for every drawing you'll need some kind of outline, at least
You activated my trap card.
at least not even a visible one, but with just colors. But your outline really matters at the beginning because you're going to draw that a lot. And I mean it, a lot. Here I'm starting the shading process. Now the shading process goes as I said in the past video. Now if you want to check it out, if you're interested in improving your shading skills, I'll link that video. And I hope. I also featured all the facial features that I drawn right here, except the ears. The ears are a new thing, but they're very simple to draw. And here's how you draw them. Just to remind you, like everything, they're drawn pretty simply. And they're drawn the same, both are the same. So however you draw the first ear, you must draw the second ear. And here's how you draw them. So the guidelines are or at least how I draw them. The guidelines are one rectangle and one triangle. And you do the fine lines. That's it. That's the simplest version you can find. It's what I should do for a tutorial to make it more simpler, but I like getting colors. And to add colors even on a grayscale picture isn't hard actually. You just have to see where the darkest parts are and where the lightest parts are. Okay, you just have to do the shading. The color doesn't actually matter. I mean, it does matter. You should try to pick the good color combination, but essentially what you need to know is where to put the darkest and where to shade. And once you know that, you can put any color you like or any color that matches with your kind of style. I don't judge. Now that I said pretty much everything, and I know you miss a little bit of music here and there, I'll go ahead and play a little bit of music and see when things get interesting.
leaves start falling down, and the shadows above the town, I can finally see now. I see the fear inside your eyes.
She's afraid because she's no longer a goddess.
I can finally see now. Oh, we're radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, yeah, radiate, but now we're drowning. As the leaves start falling down, and the shadows above the town, we used to radiate, radiate, but now we're drowning. I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see.
She lost her power.
多分それが原因です
Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, yeah, radiate, but now we're drowning.
And done. And that's gonna be it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. I tried to make it as short as I could, and yeah, hope you learned something. Hope you will learn something new from the new one, and see you soon. Stay classy.